Welcome to the Real Dirt on Cleaning. I was looking for advice to actively combat dis-ease. Everyone around me on some level has become Chicken Little. The sky is falling, the sky is falling. We're running around screaming, memeing, posting, texting about how the world is coming to an end. I prefer to be the little red hen. She totally had the right idea. She was the proverbial chick that made hay while the sun was shining. This is how I want to participate in the hoopla surrounding the coronavirus. It will take a village, no, a world of people coming together to become proactive against the corona or any other virus going forward. The coronavirus is just the beginning of what we could face going forward. I've been following some experts since this viral outbreak and what they have to share. I just happened to stumble across this very interesting report, the title, The Dirty Truth Survey. And this 2019 survey of 1,200 U.S. residents above the age of 18 is very interesting with cleaning facts that are exposed. Have you thought about all the places your phone goes with you? Well, we certainly did. This report shared, despite 88% of adults in the survey, that their phone went to the bathroom with them, and 41% were holding their phones in their mouth while their hands were full. There were more interesting gross facts about your phone hygiene, and the average American will come in contact with 60,000 types of bacteria daily. Read up. Some of these report facts really raised my awareness, and I'm sure I really do feel more at ease with this information. How are you doing? Happy cleaning!